Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix some broken plastic clips. So I had this plastic panel that I pulled off of my truck, and when I pulled it off, these metal clips that are supposed to kind of stay on this plastic panel ended up staying in the truck, and when they came off, they ripped the plastic to where now the clip doesn't want to stay on the plastic anymore. So I've got this big hole in this thin little plastic that is supposed to retain this clip, right? So here's how you fix that. First of all, you need to take a piece of tape and put it on the back side so that you have something to build up against. That'll do. Then you're going to take some baking soda. This is some regular Arm & Hammer baking soda I bought from, I don't know, Walmart. And you put a little on there, and you move it around a little bit, spread it around kind of thin-ish. Get it kind of flat. If you put a little too much on, it's not really a big deal. But we're going to kind of pave it back and forth until it's kind of flat, and particularly where we are missing the plastic material, we definitely want to be thick there. There we go. Now we take some super glue, and if I can do this one-handed. Alright, take some, I'm using Loctite Professional Super Glue, and you slowly drip some on and let it soak into the baking soda. You kind of want it just enough super glue to completely saturate the baking soda without ending up with tons of liquid left over. If you're a little bit too much on the liquid, or if you want to build it up a little bit more, you can just take and kind of add a hair more. And then pave it around a little bit. And if you end up too dry, you can either add just a little more super glue to build it up a little higher, or you can just kind of shake it off when you're done. All right, we'll let that dry for a few minutes. Put the cap back on my super glue so it doesn't harden up so quickly. And this stuff does not take too terribly long to dry. It's maybe a minute or two. Anyway, when you're dry, which is probably less than 5 minutes, you can take the tape off the other side and then flip it over and do the same trick on the back side, but now you don't need the tape because you have this side as your backer. Once you've completely built up this area with baking soda and super glue, then you take off all the tape and you whip out a little set of mini hand files and hand file the clip back down until it's, or the little plastic piece back down until it's maybe a little bit thicker than it originally was, but roughly the same shape, and you will have built up the plastic to the point where it's just a little bit thicker than what it originally was. And then you can shape it all you want with a file if you feel that's necessary. And then when you're done, stick the clip on it, and she's good as new. It's not super pretty. So for a piece of plastic that is visible, this wouldn't be as good a trick. This is more of a functional repair than it is a cosmetic one. However, if you're trying to repair a panel and you're trying to keep as much of the original color as possible, and you want it to kind of look good when you're done, it is possible to take a spare part of the same color, maybe like an extra one of these from the junkyard or something, and take and file it down into a fine powder, and that powder will be this color. So you're sacrificing another one of these panels, or an extra plastic panel of the same color, a junk panel. You're sacrificing it so that you can turn it into powder, and then you use that powder instead of baking soda. The powder is really just a binding agent that kind of gives the baking soda something to build on and not stay so liquid. It allows it to be solid. But like where this repair is going to dry and it's going to pretty much look white because I used baking soda, if you had used the tan powder from a filed down one of these, then it would be kind of more of a tan color, and it would match the original color. So that's a pretty good trick for cosmetic repairs. I didn't do that with this one. This one's a functional repair, so I just, instead of sacrificing another piece of tan plastic that I don't have, I just used baking soda, and it works just fine. Anyhow, it's a pretty good trick. There's actually quite a bit of strength to super glue as long as it has something to bond to. I think you could probably also maybe even use a small square of paper towel or something like that. I don't think it much matters what the bonding agent is, but it's kind of like mixing fiberglass mesh and fiberglass resin. The resin's the strength, the mesh just gives it something to bite to. So when you're all done, you file this thing down, put the clip on it, and she's probably about as strong as it ever was when it was new. All right, guys, have a good night.